Your LG Signature SideKick washer acts as an additional mini washer for your LG Signature washer-dryer combo. This video will give you an overview on how to use your LG Signature SideKick and its cycles. Push the circle to access the mini washer. Push the lid to open and load items into the washer. Clothes should fit loosely in the tub under the maximum fill line. Loading clothes over the fill line can damage the clothes and washer. Use the provided detergent dispenser to measure out the correct high-efficiency detergent. Press down gently on the lid handle until it latches properly. Press the power button to turn on the washer. The normal cycle washes normal items except delicate fabrics such as wool or silk. The intimate cycle can be used to wash delicate items such as lingerie or sheer and lacy clothing that can easily be damaged in a normal cycle. Do not use this cycle for silk items. The hand wash cycle can be used to wash hand washable items that require delicate care. The activewear cycle washes performance clothing such as your workout gear. Pre-treat stains with a rinse and spin cycle, which can be used to rinse and spin a load separately from a regular cycle. If you would like to just spin your clothes, hold the rinse and spin button for 3 seconds. The light will blink to indicate that spin only is activated. It is highly recommended that you clean the tub at least once a month with the tub clean cycle. Use the tub clean cycle with a liquid chlorine bleach mix solution or tub cleaner. If you do not want the mini washer to spin your clothes after a cycle, select the desired wash cycle and hold on to the tub clean button for 3 seconds. The light will blink to indicate that no spin is activated. After selecting a wash cycle, you can select additional features for the load. The warm water option is selected by default on some of the available cycles. To activate or deactivate the warm water option, press the warm water button. Use the extra rinse option to add an extra rinse to all selected cycles except the tub clean cycle. You can add up to 5 additional rinses. To activate or deactivate the child lock, press and hold the extra rinse button for 3 seconds. When the controls are locked, CL will display and your settings will be locked. Once you have selected your desired cycle settings, press the Start Pause button to begin the wash cycle. If the drawer is not closed within 5 seconds, the display will indicate a DE1 error code. To clear the error code, just push the drawer in until it is properly closed to begin the cycle. The display of the main washer will show the cycle status and the estimated time remaining. If necessary, press the unlock button on the side to pause the cycle to add additional laundry or fabric softener. Once you added your items, close the lid and press the play button to resume your cycle. When the cycle is finished, a melody will sound. It's best to remove the clothing immediately to reduce any wrinkling.